National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Cook County in northeast Illinois, southern DuPage County in northeast Illinois, northern Will County in northeast Illinois until 6:45 p.m. At 5:26 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms was located along a line extending from north of Aurora to 7 miles north of Morris and moving east at 50 miles per hour. The rotation with these storms has shown signs of weakening. However, the straight line winds are looking more significant. These are very dangerous storms. Hazard: golf ball size hail and 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Flying debris will be dangerous to people and animals. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Naperville, Plainfield, Wheaton, Glen Ellen, Lisle, Bolingbrook, Lombard, Romeoville, Joliet, Downers Grove, York Center, Westmont, Lockport, Oakbrook, Lamont, Ingalls Park, Hinsdale, Burridge, New Lenox, and Homer Glen. This includes the city of Chicago. Other locations affected: Argonne National Laboratory, Benedictine University, Brookfield 2, Chicagoland Speedway Route 66 Raceway, College of DuPage, DuPage County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage.